Hello guys, today we have fudge cake, vanilla fudge cake and chocolate fudge cake. Both very nice taste, is soft. It's very helpful cake when you use cake design. If you make cake design, this is the perfect cake to use. Flavor, moist, fantastic. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Yunus, pastry champion of Africa 2011, corporate pastry chef for many cruise lines. And here I bring all my experience in sugar emperor chocolate. Very easy recipe. First pinch of salt, 5 eggs. This for cake 26 centimeter. 200 boiling water, 90 gram white chocolate. This first we do, we pour 90 gram of white chocolate in very hot water. Then we have 200 gram oil, 250 gram flour, 320 gram sugar, 11 gram baking powder, 11 gram baking soda. So we mix egg, sugar and oil. 5 eggs, 310 sugar and 200 ml vegetable oil. We mix in food process. Also you can use the normal mixture. In meantime I mix the chocolate to dissolve and melt in the hot boiling water. It will be light chocolate sauce, and this is what we need. Make sure that there is no lumps and all dissolve and smooth in the water. If you see any lumps, you must press. gram baking powder, 11 gram baking soda, we put in 250 gram flour. After almost 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes, then we added the flour mixing with baking powder and baking soda. Again, leave it to mix. The best in food process, you cannot find any lumps. If there is any lumps, it will finish. Then we add this little by little our white sauce. 200 gram boiling water, 90 gram white chocolate. As you see, fudge is ready. And this recipe for 26 centimeter ring. We finish the vanilla fudge and then we make chocolate fudge. It's very tasty and very moist. Make sure that you cover the ring so there is no any leaking. You can also make a big quantity in the whisk. Please guys, watch the channel. I have over 150 recipe. We bake 180 degree for 50 minutes. 180 degree centigrade, not Fahrenheit, for 50 minutes. Then this is the time to make the chocolate. 5 eggs, 310 eggs. Always I mix with salt. You can add any flavor, vanilla powder or vanilla extract, it will be much better. So 5 egg, pinch of salt, 310 sugar. This time I didn't add the oil, so I make 2 different process, and you can do what you want. 11 gram baking powder, 11 gram baking soda in 250 gram of flour, all purpose flour. We mix. It takes maybe 2 minutes. After that I added 80 gram cacao, 200 milli vegetable oil or sunflower oil, any oil but not, and this 200 milli boiling water, not hot, boiling water. 2 minutes, sugar and eggs. After that I added the oil, like when I make mayonnaise. Leave it for 1 minute, then I added all dry ingredients. Please guys, have a look in my channel. I have sugar video, keto, gluten free, lactose free dessert, international cakes like tiramisu, cold cheesecake, alfajaros, brigadeiro, a lot. And let me know what is your opinion. I added cacao and flour. Normally any recipe with cacao and flour I must strain before, but because I use food process, it will make it smooth as much as you see. You can see all mix and becomes so soft, so smooth. That's why I use a lot of recipe in food process. And then I added 200 milli boiling water step by step. Now my recipe is ready. The whole process, it takes maximum 5 minutes in food process. Now I use the ring with plastic film, and this ring I use aluminium foil and butter paper or parchment paper. So you can use whatever you have, but make sure that the bottom of ring is so close, no leaking. Still 30 seconds more in the food process. Now it's ready. Stop. You can see very shiny and very smooth batter. .26 centimeter cake ring, which is good quantity. So you can make double it or you make less. It's dependent about the cake what you want. This 5 eggs is so good. Now again 180 for 50 minutes. 180 centigrade for 50 minutes. I cool it down 1 hour before I remove the ring in the fridge. You can see. The cake is so nice. And very moist. The best in this cake is very moist in cake design, because if you use normal sponge cake when you make design cake, doesn't help you, it becomes so soft, but this one is strong and so moist. Now, hope you enjoy my video. Hope to see you again in my channel. Please leave comment. Tell us what is your opinion about our cakes and our video. And I accept all the comments.